So, a member on one of these forums or eBay wanted to see a video of how easy it was to start this FS racing buggy here. So first thing we'll do, switch transmitter to on, move over here, switch the radio gear to on the truck. Now we'll come over to the other side. I don't know how good this will turn out, but basically you want to press this and make sure the fuel's right in the fuel bulb there. Then we have a choke. We put the choke all the way down there. Now we come over, and hopefully this doesn't shake too much as I'm doing it. Okay, so we had it fire there. We're gonna flip. I just flipped the fuel, or the choke rather, to off. One more pull. And it's running now. So it's hard to video this. It's hard to do this and hold the camera at the same time. So you have to warm it up a little bit. And hopefully that'll do it for you. If not, we'll just make this a little bit longer. It's not very dry outside today. Try to get the camera set down here. And remember, this is stone cold, so hopefully that'll do her. Now, you hit this little button right here. That's off. Turn the box off on there and switch off for the radio. And we're done.